Good morning, happy Saturday. It's 6:30 in the morning here. I am currently walking. I probably left quarter to 6 earlier and now I am almost at the bridge from Tiris to Kugon. Ayan, maraming dumadaan, mga pampasaherong tricycle. Hi, good morning. Ayan, mga motor. Ayun. So, ayan. Eto, we are going to walk. I am going to walk to our town. Let's see how far I can go today. Susubukan kong maglakad ng malayo. I haven't walked all throughout the week. I've been confined at home. I haven't really been doing much lately. So here I am. I'm on my deep rest actually, and staying hydrated, reading books, reading my journal from the past few years. Like, oh my god, eto na nga. Matawid tayo. Ayan. This is how the day looks like this morning. Okay. There you go. So here's different. So we have nipa. Look at tingnan niyo yung dahon na yan. 'Di ba ang gandang decoration? Napaka jungle like ng ano niya. Ng shape ng dahon. At look at the Sydney, and Bicol Express. Yan. Whew, Lord. And I am having my morning coffee. I have my tumbler from Minnesota Zoo. Ayan. Pinagpapawisan na tayo. I love sweating in the morning. It releases the toxins. Tinatanggal ang mga hindi magandang anik-anik sa katawan mo, di ba? Ay nako. Ayan. Oh. Ganda. May tulay dito. Hindi ko alam kung gaano siya kalalim. Shall we? Oh God. It feels good. It feels good going out for a walk. Alam mo yun na ang sarap sa pakiramdam na you feel healthy, and it makes you feel energetic that morning rush. Oh, ang dami pa ring flowers. Ayan. Ang dami pa ring mga flowers. And I wanna share a story. I wanna share something. So this morning, I woke up again. It's even before my alarm clock goes off this morning. Alam mo yun, ang sarap ng tulog ko. I went to bed last night around 11 before midnight kasi I was reading. Tapos, in the morning, negative naman yung narinig ko sa kapitbahay namin, which is actually a morning habit already that I don't know if they're having a hard time breaking. Kasi, wait, may andito sa nanay. Good morning po. Naoperahan ka na? Di ba dati yung pagdaan ko may goiter. Nagpaano ako sa Sorsogon. Pinatanggal ko.
Ayun lang, may bata pa.
Tubig lang. Nagpa-check ka ulit?
Oo.
Yun, si nanay, nagbibidyo ako nanay. Ito po si nanay, meron siyang goiter. Ayan o. Matigas na siya. Ilang taon na siya, nay?
20 anos.
20 years na daw siya. Kasi dati meron din akong goiter. Pero yung thyroid ko, napaalis siya sa Sorsogon. Yun nga, di ba may nag-video ako noon dati. Pero sa akin kasi tubig lang yung laman. Pero si nanay mukhang naugatan na yata siya, oh. May tumingin na sa specialista. Hindi ko alam kung meron pa po, kung may nakakaalam po na pwede si nanay tulungan. Ano din siya ba kay Google? Ano ba buong pangalan, ay?
Virginia.
Virginia? Apelido?
Escarte.
Virginia Escarte. Taga, ano ka mo? Pugon or Tiris talaga?
Tiris.
Tiris. May mga Escarte sa Pugon, ay sa San Ignacio, ano?
Oo.
Oh,
Hindi na mag-train kami kayo.
kanina ko, tiya.
Oo.
Oo, you're welcome. Yeah, Virginia, ayan. Ayan, may tindahan din sila. Anong klaseng ibon yan? Look. May kakaibang bird, oh. I don't know if you can see it. But the bird looks different. Ganda ng bahay, oh. Daming mga plants. Mamaya na ako magkwento pag walang mayroong tao dito. So, madami naglilinis ng kalsada. O, si ate, oh. Si ate. Ayan. Walang day off kahit Saturday?
Opo. Ano lang, linggo lang.
Linggo. So, man dito sa Saturday nag-work kayo? Si ate, oh. Hi. Sige po, good morning. Ayan, naglinis sa kahit parang Saturday pala walang day off. Sana nga tayo yung chinichika ko kanina. So yun na nga. So maaga ako nagising kanina. I woke up early this morning bago mag 5:30. Sana mga before mga alas 4 ako gumising, but anyway, okay lang. Tawag dito. So yun na nga. 'Di ba? So like may another delay din dito. There's also another bridge. Kasi kuya nagpapahinga, ayan, oh. Ay, nako. Tapos, ang aga, it's so negative early in the morning. Like, that's something that they are always doing every single day. Every single day, pagmulat ng mata, pagising sa umaga, yun ang maririnig mo. Very negative. At kung ano-ano. So, I mean, pinalagpas ko ng ilang buwan. I let it go for how many months that every day you're being fed with toxin. Tapos, I've noticed too, they are awake all night. So they are awake 24/7. Sabi ko, ba't hindi natutulog ang mga ito? Ano to, nag-US time zone? Are they waiting for some sort of instruction from somewhere else? Probably not. Pero there's a lot of words that was forwarded to them. Words that I knew personally where it came from, because those are words that is either narinig ko or it was said to me directly. Naalala ko lang, I've written before on my journal, I told myself that everything that was said to me, every criticism, every insult, every negative words that's being shown at me. Okay. So sa lahat nga, so yun. So lahat ng sinabi, tapos I told myself, sabi ko, I will build it I will use it to build an empire. I will use it to build an empire or a kingdom. So ito na nga. It made me strong. It made me who I am today. And until I came to the point that I am not going to live my life like this for the rest of my life. Listening to negativity every morning. I am not going to tolerate this BS. This is not right. Maraming mga batang nakikinig. Sometimes I wonder yung mga bata, automatic nang sumasagot. I don't know where they're learning those words. It's like our brain are wired to each other. That is the honest truth there. Alam mo yun na there is like a radar. Alam mo yun, kulang na lang maging Teletubbies kami that there is a wire on our head. So there's a wire in our head, no? Na parang we connect to each other even without saying a word. There's like an antenna. Parang ganun yung ano. That's how it feels like. Because I am wondering, sometimes the children will just say words out of nowhere that I recognize. And I knew kung saan galing. So kung saan galing yung pinagsasabi. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, why? Why is this happening? How did they get this? Who taught these children to say those words? Are the parents telling them to say it? Kasi I am noticing and I have been paying attention to the children kasi naglalaro sila. Alam mo yun? Na parang I can't put words into it. I don't know who to blame. Hindi ko alam kung sinong sisisihin ko. Mga bata, there's a lot of children at stake here. You know? Parang nagsasalita na lang sila out of nowhere without, I don't know. So, nagsasalita na lang sila out of nowhere na hindi mo alam kung sinong bumubulo, kung Diablo ba o Diyos. Baka Diablo yan. Kasi walang maka-Diyos na nagsasabi ng masama laban sa kanilang kapwa. Diba? I call it hypocrisy. Medyo nadidistract ako, madaming dumadaang mga motorcycle and tricycle. Ay nako. Andito na ako sa Barangay Kugon. Papunta na tayo sa Gubat. Oh Lord God. Ito yung Barangay Kugon. Barangay Kugon, ito yung school. Hi, good morning. Ito yung Barangay Kugon. And there's also the elementary. We also have the elementary school here. Ayan. Diba ang ganda? May maraming mga marami na namang mga halamang namumulaklak. It's springing again, but the reality is it's already December. And this is the elementary school of Barangay Kugon. Choose health, not drugs. Ayan, ang ganda, bagong pintura. Batang taga Kugon, nagkasarayo sa pagdanan. Whew. Ayan, dati dito kami nagpa-practice ng Ginubat Festival kasi nung elementary pa lang ako, sumali ako sa Ginubat Festival. Yung mga bugyo-bugyo, ganun. Ayan, diyan kami nagpa-practice. Tapos, yung barangay captain namin noon si Captain Jaime and Captain Alfredo Espinosilia. So yun. Tapos may snacks after. Ganun. Ayan. Ay, mukhang tahimik naman dito. Tingnan natin, pakinggan natin lesson. Listen, listen. Faster. Ang aga-aga may nag-basketball dito. Sa barangay Trigon Court. Ayan, may balong malalim. Barangay Trigon. Ayan, may balon pa rin sila dito. Ayan, oh. Malapit na tayo sa Gubat. May bagong ano dito, oh. Resort. May bagong resort. Ginagawa pa lang. Lahat yata build ngayon. Wow. That's a good news. Ayan, meron din mga sari-sari store. Nagtitinda ng mga prutas at sariwang gulay. Ayan. Merong simbahan dyan, Jesus Christ Living Christian Fellowship, Foursquare Full Gospel. Ayan. The Holy Family Subdivision. Ay nako. Wow, ang ganda ng bahay dyan, oh. Looks like a mansion. Look at the mansion. Ang ganda, oh. So beautiful. Mukhang uulan na, oh. Nakikisilong muna ako dito sa St. Augustine Church. Sige nga, bisitahin natin. I think the last time that I was here, it was during Holy Week. During Holy Week, I went to St. Augustine Church, and they have a mass here. Ewan ko ba, bakit sa loob ng simbahan may narinig akong sabing kapal. Hindi ko, sa akin ba yun? Mukha ba ako makapal? Well, I'll take that as a compliment. Woo. Medyo may balakang talaga tayo ng konti, but yung mukha, kailangan natin maging makapal ang mukha natin paminsan-minsan, kasi kung hindi, kung hindi ko kakapalan ang mukha ko, ayan, baka na-depress na ako ng tuluyan. Kasi, hindi mo kayang ipaglaban ng sarili mo at karapatan mo. But anyway, I don't tolerate that word. But I'll turn the script and think that it's a positive and a compliment that, yep, thank you for saying that. Just because you said that, you've given me the courage to speak up. But anyway, I don't mean to argue I mean to argue or makipag makipag anong tawag dito? Anyway, andito sa simbahan. Ayoko magsalita hindi maganda. Anyway, and then ito na nga siya. Oh wow, they're also part of Knights of Columbus. Speaking of Knights of Columbus, I have a client before. His name is Jack or John. He's my client at Huntington National Bank. Ewan ko ba, I don't know what's with Jack or John. But he's the one who told me when I started dating Al that I've lost 8 bars. Hindi ko alam bakit masyado silang affected kung nag-boyfriend ako. Especially when I started dating Al. But it was John or Jacob. He's part of the Knight of Columbus who said that to me. Like, he said, you've lost 8 bars. Why? Just because I dated? What is your pakaalam with my love life? But anyway, andito na nga tayo, papunta na tayo sa simbahan. Minsan if there's anything that I'm seeing that can contribute to solving the puzzle, I'm not going to hesitate and I'll just say it. Wow, ang ganda. Tingnan mo. Ayan. St. Augustine Church. Magsisilong muna tayo dito kay St. Augustine. At syempre magpaalam tayo sa courtesy, right? Makakaya naman gamitin natin yung simbahan na silungan without asking for their permission. But anyway, this is the cherry tree. Wala siyang it looks like tabiboya tree for me. Na yung bulaklak niya parang cherry. Ayan. Whew. Nakisirong ako, nagwa-walking ako. St. Augustine, this is St. Augustine Church. May misa? Tapos na. Nakisirong lang ako, nagwa-walking ako. So ito na nga yung nagbablog po ako ha. Opo. So ito po yung St. Augustine Church. Dati sa Bagakay siya. Barangay Bagakay. At itinayo na dito. Parang Pugon and San Ignacio. Ewan ko kung nakwento ko na dati, but I was part of Friend of St. Augustine. Meron pang FSA ngayon? May FSA pa ngayon? May Friend of St. Augustine para. I think they are located in Cebu. Kasi dati maraming mga misyonaryo doon na nagbabahay-bahay. Ayan. Ay, may Christmas decor na din sila. May mga Christmas decor din sila. Tapos ayan ang laki na ng simbahang ito, pero hindi ako masyado ditong nagsisimba. Nagsisimba ako doon sa St. Anthony kasi doon ako bininyagan. Tapos nag-church din ako sa Sorsogon Victory Church. Pero hindi consistent, hindi every Sunday. Last Sunday we have Jesus Reigns in Sorsogon. So ito yung malawakang Christ Revolution all over Sorsogon. So they have different congregation in Sorsogon last Sunday. We have representative from Gubat. We have representative from Barcelona. It's a prayer, what you call it, prayer and worship service. Maraming prayer warriors doon na nagkaisa, mga youth. We prayed for our municipality. We prayed for our government. We prayed for our family. We prayed for our country. That Jesus reigns. Yan. So this is how it looks like. Ordo Santi Agustin. And maglakad pa tayo. Let's see. Payapa. Okay, alright you guys. I don't know if my video today made sense or it makes sense. Kasi I was walking and everything. But anyway, this is my day today. Thank you for watching. This is my morning walk on a Saturday morning here in the Philippines. So don't forget to smile. Keep shining for Jesus and chill. God bless you and I love you.